So thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's quick 4th of July front porch makeover. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're one of my faithful, loyal subscribers, well, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, then you already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Well, it's time for me to get into today's video. It's hot out here, so I need everyone to stay hydrated. Is it hot where you are? Drop it down in the comments below. Let me tell you how hot it is in South Carolina. Are you listening? It is so hot, I saw a dog trying to hitchhike. Anyway, let me get to the video. All joking aside, it really is super hot outside. So listen, family, I need each and every one of you to stay hydrated and stay out of the sun as much as possible. That's my tip for you on today. Let's get back to the video. This video won't have too much chatting. Just enjoy the cleaning and the decorating. So I'm all about repurposing, reusing, and updating. And spray paint, well, you know, I always keep cans around the house. So this old tray is getting new life with this spray paint. So this repurposed tray was originally purchased from the Dollar General for just $8. These florals came from the Dollar Tree, and these two American flags, I found them at Michael's for 99 cents each. Tell me what you think about my quick little centerpiece for my ottoman table. This tic-tac-toe set was a Michael's find. And these two little napkins came from Amazon. So I don't go quite overboard for the 4th of July, but I thought I'd do something quick and festive because we'll be outside, but we'll be on the porch because they are predicting 110 degrees on the 4th of July here on the Johnson Ranch. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel on today. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving. And to my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Make sure, as always, you stay safe, you stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.